Hello guys, this is Help&Tech&You. Once you open up OBS Studio, the following message waiting for you. OBS failed to authenticate with Twitch. Most of the time this is because the failed authentication is by some conflict or misbehavior of the OBS Studio. So let's get to it and solve the problem. The first thing you want to try is let's go to the File and Settings menu, go to the Stream tab, and let's re-authenticate the Twitch. Click on Connect Account, and simply log into your Twitch profile. That should do the job. If you're still getting the message, then try to use the stream key directly and click OK. The second step is basically the most important one. After the current situation, previous history of Twitch, you need to set up two-factor authentication. Streamers are already required to use 2FA, but you may get out the restriction until now. So let's go and log into your Twitch profile at twitch.tv. Let's go to the settings, security and privacy. Scroll down to the security tab and set up two-factor authentication. Firstly, you need to add a new phone number. After that, you get a message from Twitch with password, with a security code. And after that, you enable two-factor authentication. If you're familiar with the Help&Tech&You guides, then the first step is always to restart the OBS Studio. This ends all our running processes, and maybe you can restart your computer as well. And the next step after that, if you're still getting the OBS and Twitch authentication fail problem, then update your OBS Studio. This can be done at the help and check for updates options. And as you can see, my OBS Studio as well just need to be updated. In other scenarios, like display capture shows black screen or encoder error occurred, most of the time the problem is happened because permission issues, and maybe it can be some firmware or network issues as well. So just simply right click on the OBS icon and select Run as Administrator option. And the last thing, if nothing helps you, basically you have only one option left, is to reinstall OBS Studio. If you don't delete preferences, then your setup scenes and sources will still remain, but you may need to delete them as well. After all, you should check out our other videos on Help&Tech&You. Thank you. Bye.